Hi everyone. Well, it's not morning, it's late afternoon. I'm a little late getting to Aldi's today for their ALDI FINDS aisle, but I'll do the best I can. When you come in, there's some Bakeware ottomans, and they have them in gray and they have them in white, and they are $39.99. Here's a variety of 4 different styles of Curtain House wall art. I felt this one, it almost felt like it was cement. And down here it shows you the different styles they have the pictures in, and they are $9.99 each. Up here there are beaded lanterns. It's hard to see them, but they are nice. And they have an LED candle in them. It looks like in the back there, they come in black and tan. There's a picture of the tan one up there. All the Valentine's Day stuff is out. And these are a box of taper candles. I believe there's 2 in a box, and they have different Valentine's Day designs. Those are nice. They're $3.99 for the box. Well, this is interesting. I guess Paris Hilton now has a line of candles out in Aldi's. It says Paris Hilton Scented Candles, and they're $9.99 each. This one says, "You got this, slay the day." This white one says, "That's hot." Then there's a pink one that says XOXO. And I'm assuming they're all different scents, so they're $9.99 each. These are different. They're bottles with a cork on top, and they're full of matches. They're a match holder, and they're $5.99 each, and they have them with the different color matches and different sayings on the bottle. That's very interesting. Down here is a variety of Valentine's Day bags for $7.99. There's a square one there with bows on it. There's a couple that are in the shape of hearts. I don't know. Let me see. Oh, on the box it shows you some of the different kind. They supposedly have one with cherries on it too. Here are boxes of Curtain House 3-wick candles for $4.99 each, and they're cute. This one says Hugs and Kisses. This one says Sweet Nothings. This one says I Love You Cherry Much. And there's a couple of other different ones in the back. So there's plenty of those, and they are $4.99 each for the 3-wick candle. There's a variety of Valentine's Day plush throws down there. There's a lot of different designs. Can't really see the size. Let me see. They are $7.99 each. And I think they are, yes, it looks like they're 50 by 70 inch. So you have your choice of the pattern. Well, I have to say I've never seen these before. These are by Curtain House, and they're heart bookends. They're very, very heavy. Don't know what they're made out of. They're like a stone. But anyway, I guess they are $9.99 each. They have them like in a tan and then in white. Here are the glitter trees for Valentine's Day. So it's that glitter white birch looking tree, and they come with the ornaments. And there is a button, so let me press it. I'm assuming it lights up. Let's see. Yes, the tree lights up, but there is no price. No, I don't see one. So if I come across it, I will let you know. Here are your choice of a 2-pack towel or an oven mitt and a pot holder set. And they're in all the Valentine's Day designs. And they are $3.99 each. And this is the designs that they come in. These are nice. These are boxes of bowl fillers for $4.99. And there's the wicker ones. There's like hearts in there and other designs. And they have patterns and they have white and red with the stitching. And they're $4.99 each. I like those wicker ones. Here it shows you on the box what you get inside. This looks like a couple of hearts and some hugs and some X's. Here are floral wreaths, faux floral wreaths for the spring. There's a few different kinds. This one has tulips on it. That has a variety of spring flowers, and I see a couple more in the back. One looks like it has all white flowers. Those are $19.99 each. Here are Valentine's Day throw pillows. There's a heart that says "Be Mine." Down there are red XOXO. Looks like there's a white fluffy one over there. They're $9.99 each. It shows you on the box the different colors and designs that they come in. These are marble heart trays. They're very heavy. And they are $14.99 each. They're sort of like in a cream color. I don't know how well you can see these, but let me tell you, they're really nice. For $9.99, you have your choice of a large heart-shaped platter or a 4-pack of the smaller heart-shaped dishes. They're really nice. I see like a muted pink in the back there, but most of them are like a cream color. I think that's a good buy. These are ceramic bakeware. They have them in a pink, a light pink, or a red. And you can get either the ramekins, they're heart-shaped ramekins. You can get the heart-shaped ceramic muffin tin, or the heart-shaped scallop dish. I'll try to hold this red one up. They're pretty heavy. Whoopsie. But they're nice. They are $9.99 each. Here are boxes of 2-pack of mini cast iron little dishes with the lids. They have them in pink and they have them in red. Those are really cute. It says you can put them on electric or gas, oven safe up to 500 degrees, hand wash only, and they are $19.99 for the box. Next to it, there's a 2-quart cast iron Dutch oven with the lid. There's only a few left here in red. They look very nice. And those are $19.99. Down here are pop-up Valentine's Day cards. They're different styles. I can't get behind the pole to see them, but they are $1.99 each. Here are bunches of varieties of artificial flowers. They're a mixture in there, and they're $4.99 a bunch. These are a heart with 3 teeny squeeze hearts inside. They say, "Give me, love me, squish me." I don't know. And they're by Nido. Here are ladies' plush lounge sets. I see a navy and I see a hot pink. They're $16.99 each, and their size is small through extra large. They have a hood, patch pocket on top, mid-rise, and wide pant legs. Up here are boxes of Valentine Day dog toys. They're $4.99 each, and they show you on the box. There's a bear, there's a ring, there's these two hearts, a book, a couple of other things in there, $4.99 each. Here are a choice of 3 Valentine's Day pullovers for the ladies, and they're in sizes small through extra large, and it says relaxed fit. You can see that one there. It's black with hearts. This is pink with ribbons and hearts. It shows you on the box. It looks like there's one more that's red with XOXO on it, and those are $12.99 each. There's a variety of Kirkton House winter Soho mats, and there's different designs in there, and they are $6.99 each. Looks like they still have some fitness equipment here, and this is a fitness mat. They have it in green, black, and tan, and it is $19.99. I'm not going to open it up. Here they have crane adjustable dumbbells, and they include a storage tray. They're $49.99. It says adjustable training difficulty, comfortable cushioned handles, 25 pounds, tone and strengthen the chest, arms, back, and more. So here they are. There's a lot of chef's mats, they're calling them. They are 24 by 36, and they are $12.99. Looks like they're in cream, gray, and blue. Here's a variety of peelers in here, or actually I should say kitchen gadgets, and they're $3.99 each, and it shows you here on the box you can get either the citrus press, the peeler, the multi-opener, or the garlic press. Here are Crofton's tabletop caddy for $9.99. They have them in either black or white. They seem to have plenty of these Crofton food choppers. They are $9.99, and it does show you all the different blades that come with it. Here are about 5 different styles of fridge trays. They're $4.99 each. I see one for eggs. There's a turntable up there. It shows you on the box. They're large. There's an egg tray, a small, one that holds cans, and a turntable. These are nice. You have your choice of the magnetic measuring set, a 2-way grater, and a measurer, or a 2-way grate and a measure. There's 3 different types here, and they're $8.99 each. Those are nice. Here are memory foam chair pads. They're $5.99 each. They're by Kirkton House, and it says fade resistant, memory foam, slip resistant, and fits most chairs. They're 15 by 17 inch, and it looks like they're in gray, cream color, and a blue. Here's a variety of mini aluminized bakeware, and you can see on the box here they have the muffin top one or the burger. It looks like they have a loaf pan. They have a heart pan here, and a round and a square, and they are $4.99 each. Up here are 4 packs of LED dimmable lights, and they are $3.99 for the pack of 4. Here are clip-on silicone utensils, and it looks like they have green, cream, peach color, and white. And if you look at the back of them, can you see that? I guess they clip on to the pan, and those are $3.99 each. These boxes have accent cabinets in them. They look like a combination of wood, I don't know, it almost looks like a burlap. It says enhance the look of your living space, and those are the measurements right there. None of them are out of the box, so I can only show you the box. And they are $69.99. Well, I hope you enjoyed this Valentine's Day edition of the ALDI FINDS aisle. All that shopping made me very tired, so I guess this is what I'm gonna look like over the weekend. So thank you all for watching. Love you all. Don't forget to subscribe, make a comment, and give me a thumbs up before you leave. See you soon. Toodles!